We work in an industry that requires an understanding of your data. Businesses have the data they need and a lot of it, but they don't know how to connect it or do so in a way that is efficient. They need ways to automate these mundane tasks, whether that's querying billions of points in a point cloud or joining different databases.
If we could connect these data silos, we could start to bridge these systems. Leveraging cross-platform integration is one way to solve these problems and gain meaningful insights into your business. We need a tool to do that, and that is FME, or Feature Manipulation Engine. FME is a flexible tool that helps us to source, manipulate, and facilitate data moving through different systems, but its application varies a lot based on the project. We've used it to check field data, connect to APIs, even draw cross-sectional diagrams for a New Zealand state highway corridor.
At Abley, we're all about inspiring positive change and empowering people to make better decisions for our communities and for future generations. We're a transport and location intelligence consultancy with a team of about 70 around New Zealand, and we're proud to be a Safe Software authorised partner. Leveraging the functionality of FME has allowed us to perform nightly geodatabase updates for agricultural purposes. Essentially, information was fed from an API as well as manual collection to create web maps for farmers to view their fertiliser use.
We've also created vegetation encroachment maps for transmission lines. We factored in sag and sway in the models to figure out the potential conflict areas or areas where trees might fall onto transmission lines and cause a fire.
This gave us a three-dimensional and verifiable view of conflict areas for better stakeholder communication.
At Abley, we pride ourselves on doing great work, but also being a great place to work. I think we all try and make the most of exploring our own beautiful backyard that is New Zealand. Coming from the United States, the Kiwi culture is definitely one to embrace.
FME is a powerful tool that provides our clients with in-depth knowledge of their data and systems. Whatever your challenge, big or small, we're here to help you.